From biofeedback to systemic insight. Biofeedback is often understood narrowly. It is commonly associated with individual health metrics, heart rate, stress indicators, or physiological responses measured in isolation. Used this way, biofeedback is treated as a personal tool, something to monitor, adjust, or optimize at the individual level. From an RBW perspective, this view is incomplete. Biofeedback data does not exist in a vacuum. It is produced by people operating inside systems, social, economic, cultural, and institutional. When biofeedback is examined only at the individual level, much of its meaning is lost. RBW reframes biofeedback as a system signal, not as a diagnostic outcome, but as an indicator of how environments, incentives, and structures interact with human behavior over time. This shift in framing changes the role biofeedback can play. Instead of asking you, what does this signal say about a person? RBW asks, what does the signal reveal about the system the person is responding to? Seen this way, biofeedback becomes relevant far beyond health. In workplaces, it can reflect organizational design and decision pressure. In financial contexts, it can indicate risk perception and behavioral stress. In social and environmental settings, it can signal alignment or misalignment between policy intent and lived experience. The technical importance of this shift is not in collecting new data. It lies in how existing data is contextualized. RBW does not treat biofeedback as an isolated measurement stream. It treats it as part of a broader feedback loop connecting human response, system design, and long-term outcomes. This allows patterns to be observed that are often invisible to traditional models. Not patterns about individuals, but patterns about systems. Crucially, this does not require revealing sensitive signals or processing methods. The value comes from recognizing that biofeedback reflects interaction, not just condition. At Selah Innovation Group, this insight informs how RBW connects health, finance, and social systems. It helps explain why changes in one domain often produce unintended effects in another. And it supports the design of systems that are more responsive, resilient, and aligned with human behavior. Biofeedback, in this context, becomes a bridge between data and experience, between technical systems and human reality, between short-term optimization and long-term well-being. From a technical standpoint, the opportunity is not to extract more signals. It is to design systems capable of listening to what those signals already reveal. That is the shift RBW represents, from biofeedback as measurement to biofeedback as systemic insight.